YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now, and they can ship it to you fast. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. And here we go. Now this thing is amazing, guys. I've been messing around with it for a few minutes now. Really impressed. This is my first ever RayNeo Air 2 AR glasses. It has a large screen, OLED, next gen, dynamic sound, 120 hertz, great for video gaming, ultra lightweight. Yeah, they really are comfortable glasses. Definitely cheaper than those Apple glasses. Here we go. RayNeo. You can use your Samsung DEX and you could connect it through that. There's a little dock you could buy extra, and that's for like the Switch you could play on. I don't think you need a dock for the PlayStation or the Xbox, so I'm going to test those out probably during the week. I watched a few minutes of Peacock TV on this, so amazing screen. You get a lot of goodies with it. At first I thought this was part of the glasses, but it's just a sticker, so you're going to have to remove that. And it comes with a thick manual. So, I mean, it's pretty simple setup, so maybe you don't need it. But if you're not techie enough, then I definitely suggest to read it. You get some extra lenses. I think these are the nose piece that they give you extra. Name colors. You get the cleaning cloth, microfiber. Got the name on it. RayNeo. Thank you guys for sending me this. Much appreciated. Like I said, I had VR glasses before, but I'm really impressed with these. And the ones that leave the bad reviews, don't listen to them. They just don't know how to hook this up. It's really simple. You could watch like Netflix, Disney Plus, Max, which was HBO Max. You know how that goes. Peacock TV, Direct TV. You can watch your Instagram, TikTok, if it's still around by then. Who knows what's going on with that app. But yeah, pretty much everything on your phone you can watch on the screen. It's a huge screen. There's a cord you're going to need to connect to your phone. I'll show you how that's done. So you take this end, plug it to your end of your phone. It will connect it. One second. There we go. And then once you find this spot right there, that's where you're going to plug this end. And like I said, these glasses are super lightweight. Look at that. Bling bling. These like Ray-Bans. RayNeo. Kind of like the dude from Matrix. Now there's a button right there. Volume button right here. Nose guard right there. And it sounds good too. I'm really impressed. Got to turn it on. I'll show what they look like on your face. So, I mean, they're really comfortable. I would not drive with these. Okay, I am on. Gotta make the screen brighter. I don't know if you guys could see it. It's kind of hard to show everything, but like I said, I run Peacock, and it has an amazing screen. I can't wait to try the gaming on this. It's gonna be definitely exciting. But yeah, it's kind of hard to show the functions of this glasses, but I would definitely pick up a pair for yourself. Maybe a Christmas gift, birthday gift. Father's Day is coming up. Happy Mother's Day to everybody on YouTube. Thank you for what you guys do. And then, yeah, Christmas, you know, a gift to yourself. Try something new. But yeah, these are really nice, guys. I'm telling you, don't read the bad reviews. I don't think there's any bad reviews, but I may have seen one that said can't connect to anything or can't watch movies and stuff except for like YouTube, but you can watch it on YouTube, Peacock, all the streaming apps. It just takes a few seconds to connect through, and you're good to go. I mean, the clarity for the video is amazing, guys, and that's why I can't wait to play some video games on this and try it out that way too. So that'll probably be, I might do that in a separate video, but right now we're just gonna show this off and everything else. But definitely impressive technology coming from RayNeo. Neil. Oh, smudgy, but it's alright. See? Look at that. But definitely, I highly recommend these. I mean, these are super comfy. I could try them on. I'll show you guys in a second what they look like. Whoa. I could read my screen. It is crazy. I mean, I haven't shaved, so that's Sundays. But yeah, really comfy. I need to shave bad. Alright, flip. And then here we go. So you kind of goes off really quick. But once you put them on, they stay on. But yeah, I wouldn't, like I said, I wouldn't recommend driving with these. Maybe laying in the backyard, watch a movie, relax with the dog. You know? Good times. Really cool technology, though. You get a bigger screen with your phone, especially if you guys are on the road a lot. Perfect for watching movies and everything else. And like I said, they're not uncomfortable. They're very comfortable to where I would definitely watch a whole movie through this. Maybe a couple TV series and Monday Night Raw, AEW, you know, hockey playoffs. Definitely going to be watching some games tomorrow with the basketball and everything else. Baseball, cricket, soccer, so you name it. These are a perfect pair for anybody, male or female. But really cool. You can do a lot with these guys. So definitely check them out. Click that link down below. Get yourself some RayNeo, AR smart glasses. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good day.